Hey guys, how you doing? It's your boy Jamestruss again, guys, coming to you with Get Fearless Freedom Opportunity, guys. Listen, if you would go ahead, subscribe to this channel. Give me a thumbs up, give me a thumb down, say something, guys. Of course, it helped the algorithm, and I'm trying to reach some people that may like this opportunity, because I understand this opportunity may not be for you, and that's okay. I want to talk a little bit more about Get a Fearless Freedom Opportunity with Tammy Montgomery hosting it and being the leader. I've been knowing Tammy for years, man. Great woman, great person to me. I know some people may not like Tammy, but some people don't like me. Some people don't like you. That is what it is. But if you want to learn how to earn an extra $5,000, maybe $3,000 a month or more with this opportunity, just said $3,000 to $5,000 a month or more, guys. This is the opportunity. I love this opportunity. I slipped on it. It's been here since 2019. I slipped on it. Hey, we all do sometime, right? Great opportunity to show you how to actually build a list online, show you actually how to contact your people, actually how to get sales, okay? These are people that has been winning this week alone. Guys, last month, February, it was over $30,000 paid out to members, okay? It look like it's going to get more than that, or be more than that this month, because I think it's over like 15,000, maybe 20,000 paid out already. Congratulations, John. Got a sale at $1,000. I mean, you see on this side over here, people are winning over here. Thousands of dollar sales coming in, guys. This system is a great opportunity, great system. Kelly, Bennett, welcome. Come on in, join. Great opportunity. She's in position to start earning thousands of dollars. Right here, Michael is in position. Start earning thousands of dollars. Guys, the key thing is where you get in position, okay? Where you get in position to start earning thousands of dollars with this opportunity, and show you how to build your list, show you how to get sales closed if you want to learn that, but also she just closed sales for you, right? Great opportunity, man. Great opportunity. You want to earn an extra $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 a month. This is it, guys. These are some of the people that came in just in this month alone. It's more people that came in, but you can see that date of 3 days ago as I'm making this video. The day is the 22nd. So yeah, that was 3 days ago. And yeah, this is a great opportunity. Again, that whole sales coming in. And if I keep strolling down, guys, you'll see all of these people. Let's welcome our new members that have joined this opportunity. Like I said, guys, it's probably going to reach $35,000 to $40,000 paid out this month with this opportunity. Listen, this was the webinar that last Monday I was on it. I try to catch Monday's webinars. Sometimes I can't because I help my wife here. I'm a minister now, and so I help my wife here doing things in the house. We switch it over where we may have Mondays free and I can get on early. But I got on, but I have to get on a little bit late. But anyway, guys, my name is Jamestruss with marketingonlinewithjame.com, or how to get paid daily.com, or getstartedwithus.com. Listen, go ahead, click that link below. Check out the video. You got any questions, guys, let me know. And hey, we can go from there. All right. Have a great day, guys, just because you can.